Climate. Difference between weather and climate. When you talk about how hot or how cold it is, or how much rain or sunshine there is, you're talking about the weather. Weather changes on a daily basis.
Every place in the world has certain kinds of weather at specific times of the year. The location of a place affects the kind of weather it gets. The overall weather patterns that an area experiences is called the climate of that area.
There are many climates across the world. Even in South Africa, we have more than one climate. We use the Köppen climate classification system to put climates into different categories. Hot climates.
Areas that receive lots of sunshine and higher temperatures have hot climates.
Arid and semi-arid climates are considered hot. Temperatures are generally hot all year round. The more obvious features of these climates is that there is more evaporation than precipitation, which is rain or snowfall.
Deserts all around the world have arid climates. Most of the Northern Cape has an arid climate. The Free State, Northwest and Gauteng have semi-arid climates.
Tropical climates are also considered to be hot climates. Unlike arid climates, tropical climates experience lots of rainfall too. This causes the humidity to be very high most of the year. Rainforests in South America, Africa and Asia have tropical climates.
Fruit like bananas, mangoes and papayas grow in tropical climates.
Mild climates. Mild climates do not have extreme temperatures or excessive rainfall.
Subtropical climates are milder than tropical climates. Temperatures and humidity are high, but not as high as tropical areas. Winter temperatures tend to be mild.
Most of the East Coast, like Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, have subtropical climates. Tropical fruit also grow well in subtropical climates. Subtropical climates often get more rain in summer than in winter.
The Western Cape, like many coastal European cities, has a Mediterranean climate. Summers are warm and dry, and winters are wet and cold.
There are also continental climates. Continental climates show drastic changes in temperature from summer to winter. Summers can be very hot and dry, with winters being very cold and dry.
Continental climates are characterized by the fact that there are no large bodies of water close by, like the ocean.
Although there is a huge difference in temperature, the average temperature over the course of the year is mild. Cold climates. Some areas in the world are cold all year round. We call these polar climates.
Polar climates are found in the northern parts of North America, Asia, and Europe. Greenland and Antarctica have polar climates too.
Polar regions never get warmer than 10 degrees Celsius, even in the warmest month.
There are two kinds of polar climates. The first is where soil is permanently frozen hundreds of meters into the ground. This is called tundra. The second is where the ground is made up entirely of ice and snow, called polar ice caps.
Rainfall around the world. The climate of an area affects the rainfall that the area receives.
Desert areas with arid climates receive very little to no rain during the year. North Africa, the Middle East, and the center of Australia are examples of dry areas. Even parts of the Northern Cape receive very little rain during the year.
Rainforests receive rain throughout the year, hence the term rainforest. South America, West Africa, and Southeast Asia have rainforests. Subtropical climates are considered wet areas too.
In comparison to the rest of the world, South Africa receives only half of the average global rainfall. Thus, we are considered a water-stressed country. Even though we have lots of rainfall along the east coast, a large part of inland South Africa receives little rain. Understanding the climate of an area teaches you so much about that area.
Try comparing areas with different climates. See how the climate affects vegetation, wildlife, housing, and the way people live day by day.